All right, good morning, Platinum Hands Contractors. I'm over here at another one of my projects, taking care of something, and I want to really share this one with anybody that has a basement that has flooding issues. I recommend this, and this customer he took it into action. So if your basement floods and then you have to rip out all of your drywall and replace all of your drywall, I would suggest that before you replace it with drywall, I recommend installing Durock concrete board, at least down at the bottom. You can still put drywall up here, but at least for the first 3 feet, you won't have to worry about flooding. If this floods, you'll be able to, all you will have to do is possibly, at the worst, repaint. The paint may peel off, bubble, but this concrete board, it's not going anywhere. It's the same thing they use in the showers. It's going to be very water resistant. You won't have any troubles. Again, anybody who has basement flooding, you may want to give me a call and let me do this sooner than later. But aside from that, drywall in this bathroom, they're doing a new bathroom. They don't need me to put in anything else other than the drywall, mud, and tape it for them. So I'm going to get in and get out. Platinum Hands Contractors, give us a call. No job too big, no job too small. We do it. Oh, y'all enjoy y'all day.